Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to plan in my work planner using big stickers in a classic size dashboard. First, I want to change my upstairs and downstairs filters. Up there is my filter, so I'm going to grab a ladder, my filter, and change it. When I change my filters, I like to write the date on the filter so that I can know when the last time was that I changed them. Take out. Alright. Need to clean the vent. Dollar store Swiffer to the rescue. What's it? One down, one to go. I guess I'll use my clearance filter for this one. Excuse me, sir, we don't do that. Done. And in less than 5 minutes, you got 2 clean filters for the next 1 to 3 months. Let's get to the plan with me. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today we're going to do a plan with me in my work planner for the week of January 27th through February 2nd. I had to think about that for a minute. Maybe I should drink some more coffee. Here's last week's spread filled in. It was a very, very busy week. So I realized I didn't even have my sticker book ready. I guess we'll go in with a Mickey Mouse spread this week. Which set do I want to use? We don't know. I need some wax paper. Yes, so yesterday my chair went out from underneath of me and I fell out of my chair, but I'm fine. Nothing happened. Everything was fine. It was hilarious. I wish I had it where y'all could see it, but you know, sometimes things don't work out the way we want. But you know, it just happens. I am just looking for stickers that I can write in, and then we'll figure out which spread we will do, whether it's the blues, the reds and whites, the black and whites, pink and whites, gold and whites. Okay, well, we can't do that because we want them all, and we're not going to mix and match. So, let me put these back till we decide which one I want. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled some stickers. I have these to the side in case I want to use them. I have colorful shapes because I want to pull light blues, reds, yellows, anything I can find for functional boxes because they have more boxes with saying in them. But I also want to use circles. So let's see if we can find some of each of these various colors. Not the exact blue I'm looking for. We could do black. There's no yellows. I don't know that I even have any blacks left. Because, oh, got one, got a couple. Okay, we're good. 1, two. Then, which foil? It's red foil. Huh, I don't have any red foil. Alright. Wonder if I should use a red diamond. Oh, we don't know. Let's just start with where we are. I do want my checklist. Let me go find that. All right, so I found my checklist. I've got to find a place for this, and I thought I just found it, but apparently I moved it, so I have to find a place to keep this. Y'all, it's a problem, I tell you what. All right, so it's another busy week. And because last week I didn't have room to put everything, I think this week I am I don't even remember what I was going to say. Sorry, folks. She's losing her mind. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm decorating in a vertical and I have all this space. We don't know what we're doing. I'm just used to decorating in a vertical. I think we'll just put her there. We can still use some of these. Okay. I don't know, just making it up as go along, that's all. Put one here. One here. One here. One here. All right, that's it. That's it for that. That's all I'm doing for that. Now we're going to do some checklists. We will use red. Oh, well, we've got lines. Maybe I just want to do boxes. Nope. I know what I want to do. Well, when you need the paper, you can't find the paper. That's the problem. All right, we have, that's peachy. That's pinky. That's more red. Go with this one, all right. Let's see here. All right, that is this week's spread. One of the fastest spreads I've probably done this year. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.